Right now in your life, if you have a lot of expectations, you're going to feel isolated. You're going to feel out in the cold. You can even cry lots of tears, feeling that, why doesn't it ever happen for me? When is it my turn? When will things be easy for me? And even nobody understands me. Nobody knows what I'm going through. Nobody, your soul feels in rags. Let's breathe together. Let's breathe together for a moment. And let's just tell ourselves today, in a gentle and caring way, trust the process of life. And trust what you have given yourself to deal with in your choices. Yes, there are consequences, and sometimes those consequences do not align with what we've expected to get from what we were given. But that's the way life works. And that's the way it's been since all millennia, before we even came here. So another punishment that you deliver with expectations is comparing yourself. Comparing now with what was. Comparing now with how it was before. And then you expect things to remain the same and to remain unchanged, and they must remain the way they used to be. That's not how life works. Life works forward, and forward means that things will always grow and feel and look different. It becomes a burden when you carry it, when it's heavy. This is especially, intense when you are feeling like you're under a lot of stress, that you have a lot of things to deal with. Remember that no matter what the circumstances, it always gets done in the end. You always manage to get everything done and sorted out and delivered, even though you think that you're not going to manage. That expectation, fortunately, we are not granted by life, because it never happens the way we think. And life always wants you to receive your highest good, especially when you give permission for it. So let's do that together. Let's say, I give myself permission to receive my highest good. I give myself permission to give and receive my highest good. And I give myself permission to be pleasantly surprised.